Hello there everyone, this is Lilith and welcome to another one of my videos for Altenew. Today I'll be sharing two cards that I created with the Spotted Orchid Stamp Set from Altenew, and I'll be combining this with a super easy watercolor technique. So join me for some creative fun. I've always loved the look of watercolor flowers, but it was always a bit daunting in the beginning. So this is a really great technique to add a kind of watercolor feel to your cards. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp a couple of layers from the Spotted Orchid Stamp Set. And here I'm using the third and the fourth stamp, and I'll also add the fifth one with the spotted layers. Here I'm using some pink inks from the Spring Bouquet set. So at the moment I'm just layering these three layers up, and you can use all five or just three of them or even two of them if you like. Now to add that watercolor effect, I am going to take a watercolor brush and apply a bit of water over my petals. And I'm just going to gently flick my watercolor brush, and once it's dry, I'll just dab it back into the water, and just with that flicking image, pull the color out to create this watercolor effect. The more water you add, the softer your flower will be. But as you can see, those spotted elements are still present, and it makes for a really soft card. Once that's dry, you can add a sentiment of your choice. Now I'm going to show you a second technique, and this time I'm going to use the leaves. In the set you have several leaf shapes and several layers of leaves, and I'm just going to use them separately and stamp them in different shades of green on the bottom part of my card base. All these greens come from the Green Valley Crisp Ink set. As you can see, I'm just stamping them in different directions. I'm also turning the stamp around to give different effects. Once I've covered the whole base, I'm going to use the same technique as for my flower, and that is to take a watercolor brush and add some flicking motions and just pull the color out, blend it together, and also add some extra little strokes in with my brush. And that way you can create this kind of grass effect just using the leaf stamps. To fill up the white space, I splattered some ink on it, and then I created my own embellishments by doodling a couple of tiny cute bees onto some white cardstock and cutting it out by hand. I love adding little details like these. What details do you add to your projects? For more information on all the products used, please visit the Altenew Mixed Media blog. I have also got an extra project on there for you using this stamp set. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you very soon. Bye bye.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!